Okay, so first we need to make the filling. So we will be frying the onions and the garlic first, and then we add the spinach. After we sweat the onion and garlic for some time, they become a little bit translucent. We can add our spinach and some flavors, a bit of salt and a bit of fresh pepper, and we leave it to sweat until almost, to be honest, nothing. Okay, after a couple of minutes the spinach reduced to almost, as I said, nothing, and right now we need to just evaporate all of the liquid around it. When most of the liquid evaporated, we can transfer it to another dish, and we need to leave it to cool down completely before we can add feta cheese. Right now, when our spinach part is cooled down, we can prepare the whole filling. So we need to just dice the feta cheese into smaller pieces and then combine the two together. Okay, so that's how the filling looks like when it's ready. And right now we can prepare the puff pastry. I just buy ready rolled one sheet of puff pastry. The best is all butter, of course, and then we just cut it. One sheet should be like 12 squares, so 3 this way and 4 cuts this way. When we have the squares ready, we just put a bit of the filling on each one first, and then we will be folding them into small parcels. To make the folding easier, we can just put a bit of the egg white on the edges. And right now we need to just create the small parcels. We just fold it like this. This one go here, and this part goes up here, and yeah, the parcel is ready. We just squeeze the edges, and that's it. You may want to fold them over to prevent from breaking when baking. Yep, and we just need to do the same with the rest. I just made all of the parcels, and before we put it in the oven, you want to cover it with just a tiny layer of egg wash, which will hold them together and prevent any breaking during baking. We will be baking them in 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. You will basically see when they are ready. They will be puffed and nicely browned. Don't worry too much if some of them open. You cannot basically prevent all of them from opening. So, see you in a couple of minutes. While the parcels are baking, we can prepare the yogurt sauce. I will be adding some chives and smashed garlic to it. Put all the yogurt. This is a Greek style one. It's thick and tastes nice. And the chives. We mix it, and I add some salt. And right now it is ready. We can leave it for the taste to develop much better for like half an hour in the fridge before we serve the hot parcels. That's how the ready parcels look like. They are nicely browned, a little bit puffed, and so nice and crispy. I will show you if you can hear that. So nice. Okay, so right now I will just show you how they look inside. So good. Here we go. It is a really absolutely delicious treat, and all your guests and family will just love it. I hope you enjoyed watching this small treat, and if you like my videos, just let me know. If you want me to change something, let me know as well. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.